What do you think is more important, time to market or perfect design?
Time to market.
Then you answer the question. Automation should come first. You have to be first in the market. You get going.
That's good, because depending, see, time to market is on what sense I am telling. Until unless you analyze the things, you cannot build time to market. Changes happen, then only change the product. So there is analysis done. Analysis comes in documentation first. So analysis done, then only work with time to market. Until unless you cannot carry out the analysis, you cannot develop anything.
If I have to have my ITSM implemented, for example, if I start defining all the processes from scratch, how much time do you think it will take? And whereas I get a ready application from the market, which already considers all of these best practices, which are inbuilt into the application, I start using it, I see a better result. One more very big risk I would like you to draw a light on. I did a wonderful documentation, I defined everything well, everything is perfect. But after we started implementing it, we realized that people are not ready to use this process the way you have defined. Or the tool is not able to be adopted to this process. Or you are not able to configure the tool as per the defined processes. This is my actual scenario. I mean, I had done one project where client said that don't tweak the tool, mold my processes. If you tweak the tool, it becomes non-useful when the next version comes. Then I'm not, I mean, even SAP also, people tweaked it, SAP to an extent where now next version is not compatible. Now what do I do with that? I mean, now people who configured it, they are no longer working now, they have already resigned and gone.
It's happening with many tools, like we are working with Oracle 11G. It's not being used on Windows 7. It's not much more compatibility is not coming up. So on that basis, they have been defining the things. You are telling that just tweaking, don't tweak anything on the product, just tweak on the process. But with when you follow the process, you follow the same concept. Like you hold it here this side or this side, having the same. The end result from the same.
No. Time to market, so there are better arguments in favor of doing automation. Time to market is one. Second, if it doesn't work, I anyway have a contract with the vendor. I can also go in software as service model, or I can go for user-based license. If it doesn't work, I just throw. I don't have capital investment. So I would rather go for automation, give it a shot. It works great, everyone accepts it, put the process. If it doesn't, I go for the next solution.
So if it doesn't,
if I keep documenting,
you go for the next solution. There's a loss. You're not.
That's not wait for 2 years for documentation.
Not waiting for 2, but you are telling that it's not worked, then it's lost. It's being used for the next 2. It's a loss for the company.
I mean, you capture the lessons, and then you see that those issues are not there in the next 2. You will have only one bad experience, maximum. Maximum one bad experience. But if you wait for 2, you are waiting for 2 years, and there is no guarantee that the experience will be good. Because after that you will select a tool, and that tool may also not work.
But good documentation was once first, and then you can start using second kind of documentation that first and start using.
That is good.
So I agree with you that configuration only can be done for the tools, not customization. If you go for customization, certainly you will face many issues when the new version will be released.
There are many more issues that comes with the documentation plus automations, comes with the regional rest, internal, external issues that comes while processing the things. So considering all the things, we need to follow some steps.
So I have a question. So this is quite practical.
Yeah.
What is your personal opinion, both of you? What is the best way to go?
For me, I feel it is automation first, because you can look at the documents from models which are available. So you have the basic processes available, documentation anywhere on the internet. If I want to know about incident management, problem management and processes, I can easily pick up from the documentation. But for tool, it's a big investment, so I will have to do good analysis. basics on that, select that. So automation thinking is first, then we can do it.
In my sense, if it's from scratch, there's no process. Documentation, there's no process automation. And what should you go? We should go for. Either go for automation than all the documentation. There's nothing. There's no process documented done anytime in the software industry or any manufacturing industry. So for that, the head, the bosses, the decision planners, they need to first judge how much cost it will be to build a particular tool. So they have to analyze, they have to build a document properly. Then only they go and invest money so that a particular good tool will develop from that.
So just investing documentation first, then automation.
Yeah.
I want both of you to comment on how can both this coexist.
Yeah, it can coexist. We will have two people, one will work on automation, another one will work on
How can assign to them automation done by the programmers, documentation done by the technical writers.